Hey everybody, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Leah. I'm excited to announce that I will be an Island Batik Ambassador again for 2025. This will be my 7th year as an ambassador. The past 6 years have been a lot of fun. It went by super fast. I've had a lot of fun making a lot of projects, and I'm really excited to jump in and start a whole nother year. I got my first box already from Island Batik, and they'll have another one coming later in the end of this month, and I'll also get a box from Hobbs Batik. They're one of Island Batik's industry partners, and that will also come a little bit later in the month, and I'll show those off when I get them. But for now, let's dive in, and I'll show you what I got in my very first box. Already cut it open. Paper. More paper. Let's start right here. I'm excited about this. This is a new for me. I love a little iron. I do a lot of ironing right next to my sewing machine. So this is going to be fantastic. Yay. And this pink. Beautiful. Alright. We'll play with that a little later. This surprise. I'll be using this in a blog hop later on in the year, so this one will be a surprise for now. Oh, kitty. Okay, how about some nice stash border rolls. I like these. They're 5-inch strips. You get 4 on a roll. I like red. Red's my favorite color. Blues, greens, oranges, Halloween. Some thread from Aurifil. I think there might be more. We'll double check on that. Oh, a nice half-yard bundle. This one is Forest Flora by Deb Tucker Studio. I'll be using this in the February blog hop, I do believe. Nice browns and greens, oranges and reds. Pretty. Nice 2-yard prints to go with the bundle for the Forest Flora. A nice pre-cut, botanical greens. This is pretty. I made a quilt for the Island Tea catalog out of this. I love it. It's beautiful. And 2 yards to go with it. Pretty. Another pre-cut, opulent oranges. It's pretty. I do love orange, yellow. This makes a nice, fun, bright quilt. Ooh, an iron carry bag. How nice. To go for my mini iron. I do believe we will be decorating this later on in the year. That will be fun. Nice bag of needles from Schmetz. I like their needles. A little notepad. This is always nice and handy. Get your needle size and what color they are. That helps you realize what needle you have in your machine, too, if you forget or which one you put in there. Oh, okay. Piecing and quilting needles. Vinyl needles. Oh, those would be great for bags. Universal needles. I use those a lot. Another handy book. And a luggage tag. I like the book. Goes over all kind of different needles. 6 yards of a neutral. Usually there's a sticker on here. Let me see if I can find the sticker. Ah, pearl. Pretty. I have not used this one before. Nice little tone in there. Island Batik's most recent catalog, fall and winter. I have a couple quotes in here. This is fun. You can look at the online version on their website. Gets close up of all the new fabrics coming out. These will help build our stash. These are foundations and some solids. They're all half-yard cuts. I like this one. Another pre-cut. This is their glorious green. These are their 10-inch squares. Pretty. Then a 4-yard bundle of black, white, and a dark gray. Another thread from Aurifil. So I have 3 nice big spools from Aurifil. I do have something else. AccuQuilt is also a partner this year. They sent this box. Let's check it out. Yay, stuff. Nice. A mat. I always need a mat. Alright. This is their Irish chain dye. There's all kind of instructions on the back. This year, every ambassador gets the same dye, so it will be fun to see how each person transforms their fabric and this dye into a unique project. It's always different. Everybody always comes up with unique and different ideas. Can't wait to see that. I'm excited to work with all these new products. And special thanks to Island Batik for sending all this beautiful fabric for us ambassadors to play with. And to their industry partners, Aurifil and Schmetz Needles. And special thanks to Oliso for sending the M3 Pro. And to AccuQuilt for sending the Irish chain dye. It'll be fun to play with both of these this year. I'm excited to get to work with these new fabrics and tools and make several projects throughout the year. My first one will be in February, where I get to turn Forest Flora by Deb Tucker into a lovely table runner. She'll be sending me one of her rulers, and I get to play with the Corner Pop 3. So come back in February to see how I turn this into a table runner. And if you don't want to miss a project, make sure you hit subscribe and click the notification bell. Until then, happy sewing.